Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing something easy for lunch. Steak and eggs. Let's get to it. These leather grip protectors are a godsend. Saves me from having to slip my gloves on and off. Plus it has multiple uses. This shallow cam plate has been a great addition to my kit. It's definitely a must, and really complements the rest of the kit. This Firebox cooking utensil kit has been a pleasant surprise. Stainless steel tongs, a must-have for your kit. And I think we all know what this is. Folding chef knife. Best purchase to date. I think there's still a few hours left on the Kickstarter if you want to pick one up. G2 salt and pepper shaker, another must-have for the kit. I'm going to have to pick up the medium cutting board, so I think the small cutting board is just way too small for this kit. Deep cowboy plate, a must-have as a Dutch oven lid. Look at the shine on that seasoning. Grapeseed oil, $4.25 for 30 minutes. Each layer. Beautiful. Let's get to cooking. I picked up a roll of this disposable plastic cutting boards. It's been great for dealing with meat. I'll leave a link in the description if anyone's interested. 1-inch ribeye. Cut it myself. Can you tell? I certainly can. We're going to start off with some smoked paprika. I have some leftover coffee grounds from my last video, so I'm going to use that as seasoning. Now for just a little bit of salt. Just a little. Just a tiny bit. All that's left to do is to let it rest and be happy. I'm also going to saute some onions and garlic, just to enhance the meal a bit. I'm going to use the Campfire 8 today. Trying to get 2 separate cooking areas. One side for the grilling and the other side for sautéing. Let's hope it works out. So the plan is to get this one side a little bit higher so I can get a good sear on the meat. Then once I get that sear, I'll just go ahead and drop the coals down to the bottom and let it cook all the way through. Let's see if this works. The cool part about this cooking utensil kit is that the handle can be configured to be used as a bellows. Pretty neat, huh? I think I messed up. I should have let this charcoal work a little bit more. I don't think it's all caught, so I'm gonna have to move the steak around just to get it to cook through. Oh well. Yeah, so I think we're about there. I think it's time to go ahead and just drop these coals down to the bottom and just let it slowly cook through. So the first goal for these onions is not to burn them. And I just want to get them nice and sauteed. I don't want them caramelized. Firm, but still soft. I think it's done. This turned out better than expected. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. So I heard that a little oil with your butter stops the butter from burning. So let's give that a try. Just a little salt and pepper, and I think these eggs are done. Man, I really thought I overcooked this, but look at that. Nice and pink all the way through. This is going to be delicious. Wow, I was lucky today. So you're probably wondering why I decided to do steak and eggs today. Well, I was searching online for some new recipes and stumbled upon this article about the health benefits of steak and eggs. More precisely, testosterone health benefits. So the zinc and vitamin D in this meal contributes to the production of testosterone. I'm not certain on how true that article is, but this guy's having steak and eggs at least once a week. That coffee really brings out that flavor. Well, that's all she wrote, folks. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. If you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good burn.